Welcome to HTML Beginner Tutorial 2024. In the previous video we learned about formatting text and how special types of text are displayed, and about quotation and citation elements, how to display other people's content. In this video we will talk about HTML styles and colors. HTML styles. Style attribute is used to add styles to an element, such as color, font, size, and more. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. In this part you will see CSS in action, but only minimally. Now let's move on to the code where we will explain some of the most frequently used ones. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. Now we will change the background of our text in the same way. Color property defines the text color for an HTML element. By using the font family property you can use a different font for your text. See how you can change the text size. We use percentages and pixels as an example. With the help of text alignment, you can change the alignment so that it is along the left and right edges or in the center. This concludes the HTML style section and moves on to the HTML color section. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names, or with RGB, HEX, HSL, RGBA, or HSLA values. We will mention and show the meaning of each, but we will not go into too much detail because you will gain further knowledge with time. An RGB color value represents red, green, and blue light sources, and added A to RGBA represents the opacity, i.e. the transparency of the element. RGB defines the intensity of the color with a value between 0 and 255. RGBA color values are an extension of RGB color values with an alpha channel, which specifies the opacity for a color. A hexadecimal color is specified with #RRGGBB, where the RR, red, GG, green, and BB, blue, hexadecimal integers specify the components of the color. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. And A is like with RGBA, opacity. This is how it looks like, and for HSLA just add from 0 to 1 value. That's it about colors, and we won't go deeper than this. Later we'll talk about gradients and other more complicated ones. Now let's look at the tips for the end of styles and colors section. You can use color picker for colors and never write CSS in HTML document. Congratulations, you have successfully learned HTML styles and colors. Continue to your goal of learning HTML and becoming a front-end developer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.